Hi, I'm Les Berry, Chemical Product Manager with DiversiTech. We're here today to talk about Triple D. For years, this industry has been out cleaning their coils by foaming and brightening the coils. And what we've only recently come to fully understand is when we foam and brighten the coils, we're literally tearing up the aluminum. And this demonstration today is here to show you exactly why and how that is. The most common dilution ratio recommended on the market today is 3:1 for the foaming, brightening coil cleaners. Triple D recommends 6:1. So it's easy to see you're going to use half as much to get the same, in fact, better results. We're going to put into this solution aluminum foil. I'll be the first to admit this is not the same thickness as aluminum thin stock, but it is the same material. And so far, so what? I ask a lot of contractors what causes aluminum coil cleaners to foam. The most common answer I get, it's reacting with the dirt. If that's the case, then this clean aluminum would not foam because there's no dirt on it to cause it to foam. And yet what you're going to see, we've started to foam, and literally all it's doing is taking off the top layer of aluminum. The aluminum has been stripped off. That's why it becomes shiny. Aluminum oxide is kind of a dull look. It's a beige color. Aluminum oxide is what happens when aluminum is exposed to oxygen, and it creates a layer that's protective, that prevents it from rusting like you would when you get black iron. It doesn't have any insulation effect, and that is the color that you really want this aluminum to be. As soon as we brighten it, we take that layer of aluminum oxide off. We've literally taken a layer of aluminum away, making what was a thick piece of aluminum thinner. In fact, if you were to clean your coils 5 times, as directed, using a foaming coil cleaner, what you're going to find is you're going to lose an average of 20% of the weight of the metal. So if we started out with a piece of fin stock that was 10 millimeters thick, it's now 8 millimeters thick. What you're seeing here is a foaming product literally tearing apart a piece of aluminum. You'll see that there's been no damage to this piece of aluminum. It's just like it was when it went in. But a question I would have if I were looking at this is, but does it clean? In order to give us a fair look at that, I'm going to take a piece of aluminum and I'm going to spray it with oil. The purpose behind this is that the oil is what acts like a binding agent, allows pollen and cottonseed and everything else to catch up. It acts like a glue. What you'll notice now is that the oil has already started to be lifted off of the aluminum. This is going on using a degreasing agent, Triple D. The first D in that Triple D is degreaser. That's what's breaking this oil up and allowing it to be lifted off of the aluminum. It is, if you will, the aggressive cleaner. The next point of this product is detergent. That's what allows me to give this a little bit of a shake, which would just simply be the hose that you're spraying it on with, the agitation that allows chemically oil and water to mix. So now we've got a product that cleans effectively. The degreaser breaks it up, the detergents carry it away without doing this damage that you're seeing going on to the aluminum. The third D in Triple D is deodorant. This has a very light citrus fragrance. So now I have one product that I can use on the outdoor coils, come back in and use it on the indoor coils. Mix 6:1, we'll use half as much as we do of your common coil cleaners for the outdoor. Use 10:1, it's a self-rinsing evaporator coil cleaner. You're looking at a very cost-effective product, not just in terms of price per gallon, which is very competitive, but also in terms of I only use half as much as I do of the others. So if they were both $14 a gallon, 1 to 6 makes 7 gallons or $2 a gallon to use it versus 4, which is $3.50 a gallon. So we're saving $1.50 every gallon of cleaner we make up and go to work with. That's real money that goes right into your pocket. We're doing no damage to the aluminum. It's much safer if it were to get splashed on you. You don't get that tear up of your skin that you get and the slippery feel and the burns you get when you deal with caustic sodas, the sodium hydroxide that is the primary ingredient in most foaming coil cleaners. The only thing you really have to remember about this is it's not going to foam and it's not going to brighten. But don't confuse bright with clean, because what you do need is clean. What you will get is clean, but you'll do it without brightening or damaging the aluminum. Let's take a look and see what's going on. I'm wearing the gloves particularly about this product. Here is the aluminum that went in that was exactly the same as that. We've brightened, we've cleaned, we've destroyed, and we've done it only because it's always the way we used to do it. We can clean, we can enhance performance, we can do it safer, we can do it cost effectively, we can do the indoor and the outdoor with one product, we can deodorize, and we can do all that without damaging the aluminum, without damaging the coil, without damaging the system, protecting their and your investment, improving your reputation and the results, all for the safest, most economical option. Triple D by DiversiTech.